Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to this week's science on energy. And we're looking at light energy this week. So, today's activity, what you're going to do is not in our classroom just yet, but at home. What you're going to do is find an object made from each type of material. So, I want you to find one material that's opaque, that does not let light through, really, translucent materials that let some light through, and transparent materials that let most of the light through. So that's the first thing that you're going to do. So I have a little example here of that, and like that, what you can do is put up a video showing me how the objects that you have chosen are opaque, translucent, and transparent. So the first one I'm going to do is opaque. So I'm just going to lift the camera here a little bit and show you this. So I have my light source here. So I'm going to check to see if the light's going to go through the object. So the first object I have is my picture frame. So I bring my picture frame up, and I'm going to see now, does the light go to the other side of the page? So let's test. There's the full light. And does the picture frame block the light on the other side? Yeah, it absolutely does. I can't see one bit of light coming through there from the other side. So that is an opaque object, my picture frame. The next thing I need to find then is a translucent object. It took me a little while to find something that was translucent, but in the end I was quite happy with myself. I looked for something that was what you call frosted, and so what the object that I found was my bin bag. My bin bag is a perfect example of something that is translucent. So like that, it'll let some light through, but it won't let all of the light through. So let's have a look and see then. Yeah, you can see here, I'm shining the light through. There's a lot of light on this side, but there's some light on this side as well. So it's demonstrating that the light is translucent, getting some light through. And like that, if you look on your bedroom ceilings or your dining room ceiling, you'll see that most of the time your the light shades are frosted, and that's to spread out the light so it's not shining in your face. And the last then one is something that is transparent, and like that, that's almost the easiest one, because very simply all I was able to do was get my lovely coffee glass and shine the light through the coffee glass. So does the light shine through almost completely? And yes, it does. It's almost as bright on this side as it is on this side of the page. So that's your first task. You're going to find an object that's opaque, translucent, and transparent, and try and find ones that are different to the ones that I have here. Now, the second thing that you're going to do is answer a question for me on Zoom on Friday. So, rainbows usually appear when the sun comes out after rain. Why do you think this is? So on Friday, we're going to do a little bit of a discussion on rainbows. So all I want you to do for the moment is think about that question 5. So on Thursday, you're going to make a video or make a recording or simply discuss it with somebody in your house is absolutely fine. And you're going to find 3 objects, one that's opaque, one that's translucent, and one that's transparent. Very best of luck with that, boys and girls.